Welcome to this tutorial on App Engine, Google Cloud Platform's platform as a service offering. App Engine is a powerful solution that allows developers to deploy and scale applications without worrying about managing infrastructure. Throughout this video, we'll explore what App Engine is, how it works, and why it's such a valuable tool for modern application development. App Engine is a fully managed, serverless platform designed for building and deploying web applications and a PaaS at scale. The key advantage here is that you don't need to manage any infrastructure yourself. App Engine handles everything from provisioning servers to load balancing. It provides zero infrastructure management, meaning you can focus entirely on writing code. The platform includes automatic scaling, which adjusts resources based on demand. You also get access to built-in services like databases and caching, and your applications are distributed globally across Google's infrastructure for high availability and low latency. App Engine offers two distinct environments to choose from, each designed for different use cases. The standard environment provides pre-configured runtimes with rapid scaling capabilities. However, it comes with sandbox restrictions that limit certain system operations. This environment is ideal for applications that need to scale quickly and don't require deep system access. On the other hand, the flexible environment uses customizable Docker containers, giving you more control over your runtime environment. It scales more gradually, but offers greater flexibility. The choice between these two depends on your specific application requirements and how much control you need over the underlying infrastructure. Let's dive deeper into the standard environment. One of its most impressive features is millisecond startup time. Instances can start up in just milliseconds, making it perfect for handling sudden traffic spikes. There's also a free tier available with a daily free quota, which is great for small projects and testing. However, the standard environment does have sandbox restrictions that limit system access for security reasons. You're limited to specific runtimes including Python, Java, Node.js, Go, and PHP. These restrictions ensure high security and enable the incredibly fast scaling that makes the standard environment so powerful. The flexible environment takes a different approach. It runs applications inside Docker containers, which means you can use custom runtime environments and bring your own dependencies. You get full system access, including the ability to SSH into your instances, write to disk, and install additional packages. The scaling is more gradual compared to the standard environment, with instances taking minutes rather than milliseconds to start. This environment provides more flexibility overall, supporting background processes and native code execution. It's perfect for applications that need deeper system integration or require custom software that isn't available in the standard environment's predefined runtimes. App Engine supports 3 different scaling types to match various application needs. Automatic scaling dynamically adjusts the number of instances based on request rate and latency metrics. This is ideal for applications with unpredictable traffic patterns. Basic scaling creates instances on demand when requests come in and shuts them down when they're idle, making it cost-effective for applications with intermittent traffic. Manual scaling maintains a fixed number of instances running continuously, giving you complete control over resource allocation. This is useful for applications that require consistent resources or have background tasks that need to run continuously regardless of incoming traffic. App Engine comes with a rich set of built-in services that accelerate development. Datastore provides a NoSQL database for storing and querying your application data. Memcache offers in-memory caching to improve application performance. The mail service allows you to send emails directly from your application. Task queues enable you to run background jobs asynchronously without blocking user requests. The search service provides full-text search capabilities for your data. Finally, the user's API handles authentication, making it easy to integrate user login functionality. These built-in services eliminate the need to set up and maintain separate infrastructure components, allowing you to focus on building features. Every App Engine application requires an app.yaml configuration file. This is the primary configuration file that defines how your application runs. In this example, we specify the runtime as Python 3.9, set the instance class to F2, and configure automatic scaling with a minimum of 1 instance and a maximum of 10 instances. The app.yaml file controls various aspects including the runtime environment, scaling behavior, resource allocation, and environment variables. It's a simple yet powerful way to configure your application without writing complex infrastructure code. This file is what App Engine reads to understand how to deploy and run your application. Deploying an application to App Engine is straightforward and consists of 3 main steps. First, you create your app.yaml configuration file with all the necessary settings for your application. Second, you write your application code using one of the supported programming languages and frameworks. Third, you deploy your application using the gcloud app deploy command. This single command handles uploading your code, provisioning resources, and making your application live. The entire deployment process is automated and typically takes just a few minutes. App Engine handles all the complexity of setting up servers, configuring load balancers, and ensuring your application is running properly across multiple instances. Let's recap the key benefits of using App Engine. First, you can focus entirely on writing code without worrying about infrastructure management, server maintenance, or scaling configurations. Second, rapid development is possible because you can deploy quickly and iterate fast without dealing with infrastructure setup. Third, automatic scaling handles traffic spikes seamlessly, ensuring your application remains responsive during both low and high traffic periods. Finally, you get built-in security with Google-grade infrastructure protection, including DDoS protection, encryption, and compliance certifications. App Engine truly embodies the platform as a service model, allowing developers to be more productive and focus on delivering value through their applications rather than managing servers.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.